Hey Paris, good morning. Morning, or good afternoon, or good night, whenever you go watch a little vlog here. We are at home, me and camera girl, for the longest while. We're at home together, son gone work, that gone work. Well, camera that time is here, but she over in a fair apartment. So, we're there, and guess what? We're going to go a little, long time I'm going to do this around the house, maybe outside too some of the time, like a vlog. It's like after 10 now, so when I eat breakfast yet, we're gonna make some breakfast and a whole heap of little things I have. I've got a video to do for the main channel, and I have some little rushing, a lot of things. I don't even know if I can get through everything today, and maybe I want to go on the road later on, might take you with me, but that'll wait down in the evening. Not sure if I can get in everything, not sure how that day I go run. We watch TV and we work, we do everything together. Because we not really take it too hard, we just take it slow. You see what I'm saying? Because the Christmas rush something here, we not take it on. You see what I'm saying? So, camera girl say hi from behind the camera now.
Hi guys.
So she go wash her ear. I don't know if she go show her probably. And all of that. So, I go get little cabbage. I go look about something for my breakfast. So look here, when I'm done, I show you what I eat for breakfast. And I'm going to take you through the day. What I'll be taking you through the day with is just like a part of my Jamaican life as a Jamaican girl. If you're new right on over here, let me say welcome to the Jamaican Debbiedebs train and all of that. I want to know it, go already. What I do is what I do. What I show you is that is my real life. If it's not real, I'm not going to block it. So, I could see how it's gonna as I go through the day. So, Pari, change our plans. I better make no breakfast. Camera girl says she can't wait for the soup. We're gonna do a soup video for the main channel, which is a cooking channel. So I'm saying that, but as fee for the soup, me want the soup. So I was gonna do cabbage and bread for breakfast, but breakfast lunch. Cause sometimes most time I better eat early, you know. So we change plans. I'm in my room now. I'm just gonna make my bed now because you know sometimes you need to like take the sheets off and let your mattress get some space, you know, just breathe, put like a little baking soda on it and tap it right through and leave it a few hours out to you know, fresh up. So that was what I did this morning. That's what I'm doing. So almost like midday now, I'm gonna make my bed now, and then now I am gonna be videoing the soup for the main channel. So may I call it, may I ride and whistle today. I'm vlogging and I'm also doing this for Debbie, this video vlogging, around the house vlogging. And I'm also gonna do the soup for Debbiedebs. But you know, you're not gonna see another clip there. Maybe the only clip you're gonna see on it are when we drink the soup. So in order to see how the soup make, you have to go up on the other channel. You know how it go. So my bed fresh out here now. I kinda, you know, get a nice like, freshness and me leave the fan on. To make it just make a mattress. Sometimes mattress will just breeze out. You know what I'm saying? So that is what I'm doing now. So I'm going to make the bed. So I'm just have an orange to go and catch up my stomach. I had a cup of tea earlier, some long hours ago. But I have the little orange and I'm going to make my bed. So I'm soon catch in the back. When the bed finish, catch in the back. For Paris, I'm a bed that I little starlight rock for the day. This is a new sheet. Somebody gave this to me as a present. I tell the camera girl, I say, Mom, I like a sheet here. I don't like this sheet. Because normally I always go for like just plain colors, you know, colors that are calm, cool. I don't like too much busyness inside of my bedroom. My walls them for have light color, my curtain mostly standard like earth colors, and like if it's not earth colors it must be clear like white, off-white, cream. So normally we never have like plaid and floral. Well, I had one floral and I gave it to her. Somebody gave it to me as a present. But when I'm normally doing my sheets, as I do my sheets sometimes, I don't really like for plaid. But actually this is good. Show them again, camera girl. Let them look on it. This is nice. I think the colors are, you know, it's okay. And I run the iron over it. That's over the flat sheet. I never get to do it over the top sheet. Because normally I always press everything, but I just do it over the slip-on, but I never get to do it with the top. But I always rinse my new sheets and press it, you know, use the iron to press it out, iron it out, whatever. So look here now, I kind of get my bed thing off. I know I always tell them I like my bed, but because me that air it out. So look here, camera girl says she can't wait for the soup, so I'm going to do the soup for the main channel, and then we'll check back in with you sometime. Maybe when you see me again, I drink soup, eh? Alright, I'm still not gonna start the video. I'm on the outside. I have some kitchen towel with some, you know, them look yellow something. So the sun bright and pretty on the outside. So guess what? I soak them up. Who remember this? Blue cake soap, them all get little now and easy for finish. So I soak them up with the blue cake soap. And I have them right here, so. I want to get out them little yellow spot here. I don't know if you can see it. Some little yellow spot. It was all through like this. And it's three of them, three of the same thing. We're up on the outside in the Paris. See it here? Them look a yellow spot here. Kitchen towel. So I have it in one of this. So I soap it out in the little sun here. Jamaica thing this, you know. And maybe Caribbean people, if you watch me from the Caribbean, tell me if you do it. So I rub it up with the cake soap. I leave it up in the sun. Take out the little yellow spot them. So I just get out the bathroom rug them. We give them a little sun, you know, the sun out today, and I have a neighbor that I had next door. So look here. Let me soak a little bit. So Parry, I finished now. I finished the little video for the cooking channel, so we're gonna work on it and all of that. Look at my soup. I hope you see my soup. Camera girl lazy. So I drink some of the soup because I never eat no breakfast. About what, about 2 o'clock or 2:30 or 3 o'clock now, camera girl. So I just got to eat a meal from morning. That's not good for me, but I had tea and I drink water. So look here. So my soup here. I know you're gonna go to the cooking channel to see how the soup is prepared and all of that. So I'm out on the veranda, and so it's not me alone share this veranda. So sometimes it's not in the you know, oh, me want it to look it another way, because sometimes when young people share things, you don't know it, but sometimes nobody, you alone clean. So sometimes I never bother come out here, but I'm out on the veranda and I drink my little soup. And guess what? The breeze are blow up on the outside and all of that and everything good. So look here. You will see us back in the next clip. Camera girl I will do some work and then she will drink her soup. And then see her from the vlog. So now have to see her before it done. So come. Paris see me out on the, I'm not even get out all of the yellow mark them, but most of them. And next day when the sun out, what happened now, you know, the sun kinda out, but it not all that hot much again. So guess what? Me hang out then. Them outside me they say you hear all of them you hear the people them from the outside. Yeah, it come to peak hours now when everybody come from work. So all kind of something a blow, all kind of vehicle and something. So me drink my little soup and me there on the outside yeah, I do some kitchen towel. So but the breeze that blows strong, you know, it's blowing really strong. So by the time it's done, I'm ready for go sleep, then we blow it and so. So me I try finish wash out them now. And then me have some pot over there so to go scour. So me look up puppy my pass around there, so I'm dirty like what? Roxy or beard. Next door, my neighbor them a lick down. A Jamaica vlog this year, you know, Paris, so it go. It now go perfect. So I rinse out my little kitchen towel them. And then I have 2 pots over there so for scour. And I carry out the pan because I say I go wash the rinse out my sheet on my chain. Because my laundry are back up. So that kitchen that show them that She run God. She there kitchen with that look up Paris. She don't want to come say hi. She don't want to come say hi. I wish we catch her in the vlog them man. So here are over there so attack. So we have put out a little. And about after 4 now, you know, about the time look dark. So I go and hang out my little towel them and my kitchen towel them. When we see camera girl and we go back inside and then I go over there. So when I start scour my pot, then I check in back on. Show how Jamaicans scour pot, eh? Parry, I don't know if you know see me. I'm there right here, so Ozzy just come in. So me have a break my washing outside. So I hot up some soup for him. Come out. Then we go so I try hot up some soup here for him. Parry, I just do my last little what do you call that now? My last little chore for the evening. Well, on the outside, I scour some pot. Scour up. So I try to get out, you know, see the mark in the pot. So. You know, it's a Jamaican thing this. We use the scour, and most of the time we always use carbolic, you know, the red soap, carbolic soap. Jamaican people remember that. But I don't have no carbolic soap now, so the cake soap is just as good. With the scour. We call this scouring, hard scouring. So I try to put on a little scouring on them to the pot here. The breeze that blow outside. Camera girl, you show them? Look on the ackee tree. Show them on the ackee tree. The breeze that blow so hard out here. I have a towel, let me blow it out this one. So I try to get my little pot. I finish score them out. When I done score them, I show them how them look. Alright? You see me two little out of those scour them. And they could have gone a little better still, but my hand ain't tired that the eve there, so we carry the eve. So, my kitchen now, I have some things in the sink and I have a stove for clean up. This is my soap. Yeah, we gotta go to the main channel, Parry. This is what is left of the soup. That just drink a little bit, he never drink a lot. So I just that leave. And when him come back, I drink more back again and so. I got the pot of soup, the pot of soup. It was really good though, really good. So, I cool out here now. I go catch a bath. And when I catch a bath, I come back. I go straighten up the kitchen. So I have a wet mop right there, so I go mop the kitchen floor. And the only thing after that, I guess, I just get my teeth clean and I go empty my bed. Paris, it was good for you to follow me through the day. Tell me which was the best part you like. I'm just trying to give you a little of what I think you would want to see. But as the time go by, we will get more and more in it. More and more, we carry more through and, you know, make you see what is what. But that's a try to say what can go on. So look here. I'm going to sign off the vlog yourself for now. So you saw me dirty. I wet up my damp up, I go out the door. But this is my life. Most days, the Jamaica this, that's how my life go. Sometimes this is how it goes. Sometimes I chill more than this. Sometimes you're going to see me in a big toy wrapper on me for most of the vlog. I'm just in my room and just chill and watch my TV. That is how it goes sometimes. And the next day you're going to see me really hectic up and down. Road, street, back, to and from. So it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. I'm just saying to you, never let the evil around you. Don't make it take control of your party. Just stay on top of things. I'm trying hard to stay on top of things.